Bonjour et bienvenue à votre cours de français. Hello and welcome to your French class. Let's continue with Lesson 3, Entre Jeunes, Class-9. Je revise ce que je viens d'apprendre. I revise what I have just learned. À toi. Task. What is the task? Raconte la journée de Kansha à l'aide de son emploi de temps. Tell the day of Akansha with the help of her timetable. This is her timetable. Like at 6:30, she wake up, at 7 o'clock, she take her breakfast. So we have to tell her day with the help of this timetable. So how we will tell? Like à 16h30, Akansha se réveille et prend sa douche. Elle prend son petit déjeuner à 7h. Elle arrive à l'école à 7h30. Elle a les cours de 8h à 12h. Elle prend le déjeuner de 12h30 à 1h30. Puis, elle a encore des cours de 12h à 16h. À 16h, elle départ pour la maison. Après, à 17h, elle fait une promenade dans le jardin avec des amis. Elle fait son devoir à 18h. Elle dîne avec sa famille à 19h30. Enfin, elle utilise l'ordinateur à 20h30 et elle va au lit et se couche à 21h. I have written Akansha's day with the help of a timetable here. You can write and understand well from here. Now the next question is conjugate the verb on parenthesis. Conjugate the verbs under bracket. Here we have to conjugate the verbs according to the subject. First one is les filles dash dans la balcon. The verb is se promener. It is a pronominal verb. So the subject is les filles. It is feminine, plural. So we conjugate se promener with L. With L, plural, se will be se only. A promen is er ending verb. We cut er and add the ending ent with L plural. Le weekend, vous dash très tard. Here again we have pronominal verb se coucher. We have to conjugate it with vous. With vous, we write reflexive pronoun vous and conjugate coucher. With vous, we add ez. Vous couchez très tard. Les élèves dash la professeur dans la salle, la classe. The verb is attendre, to wait. This is re ending verb. So we have to conjugate it with les élèves. It is masculine plural, il plural. With il plural, attendre will be with ending ent. L'enfant de Monsieur et Madame Dupont dash rapidement dans sa chambre. Here again there is a pronominal verb s'habiller. We conjugate it with l'enfant. It is masculine singular. So it will be se habille. L'enfant de Monsieur et Madame Dupont s'habille rapidement dans sa chambre. Tu dash ce bruit bizarre. entendre. It is again RE ending verb. With tu, it will be tu entends ce bruit bizarre. Je dash pour un rendez-vous avec le directeur. Se préparer. Again pronominal verb. With je, the reflexive pronoun me will come. Je me prépare pour un rendez-vous avec le directeur. Max se présenter à la classe. Pronominal verb. With Max, Max is il. It is masculine singular il. With il, reflexive pronoun se. Max se présente à la classe. Now move to the next page. Regarde les images. Look at the images. A 6h30 on se réveille. At 6:30, one wake up. A with a car on attend la bus. At 8:15, one wait for the bus. Enough of these on prend son sandwich. At 9:10, one take a sandwich. Midi moins 5. At 11:55, on prend le déjeuner. One take the lunch. This on assist à cours de français. At 10:10, one attend the French class. A 14h40 on monte dans le bus. At 2:40, one climb in the bus. A 15h35 on se repose. At 3:35, one take rest. A 18h on joue à l'ordinateur. At 18h, one play at computer. A 19h30 on face of the war. At 7:30, one do her homework. A minuit moins 10 on se couche. At 11:50, one sleep. Maintenant, complétez les phrases selon l'exemple. Like first one is Sandra commence son cours de français. This is numéro 5. These are these. Then Emily commence à faire ses devoirs. This is numéro 9. These are 30. Sophie prend le déjeuner. C'est numéro 4. Midi moins 5. Marc et Justine montent dans le bus. Marc and Justine climb in the bus. This is numéro 6. A 14h40. A 14h40. La père de Lisa se réveille. The father of Lisa wake up. C'est numéro 1. A 6h30. Alexander joue à l'ordinateur. Alexander plays at computer. C'est numéro with a 18h. L'oncle de Daniel se repose. C'est numéro 7. À 15h35. 15h35. Philippe mange son sandwich. C'est numéro 3 on offer these. Marie se couche. C'est numéro 10 à minuit. Moi 10. Michel attend toujours le bus pour aller à l'école. C'est numéro 2 avec le car. Next question is, tu as mis Tanguy au restaurant. Your friend invites you to a restaurant. Rédige le message de ton ami et réponds à son message dans ton cahier. Write the message to your friend and respond to his message in your notebook. Accept or refuse su invitación. So you have to write the acceptance or refusal of his or her invitation. As I explained you in my last video, how to accept and refuse the invitation. So with the help of this page, you can write the refusal and acceptance of the invitation of your friend. However, I have written some messages for you. You can take the help from here also. First of all, we have to write the date. Le 20 juin 2017, 20th June 2017. This is the way how we write the date. First, we have to write le, date, then comma, year. Salut Shreya. Hello Shreya. As Shreya is you are writing a letter to your friend, you will say salut. Comment ça va? How are you? Je vais bien. I am good. Je voudrais aller au restaurant chinois avec toi ce samedi vers 19 heures. I would like to go to Chinese restaurant with you this Saturday around 7 o'clock. Si tu peux venir, donne-moi un SMS or this number. If you can come, convey me a SMS to this number. Amitié Megha. This is a letter which your friend write to you for an invitation. Now we will see the acceptance and refusal, how to accept this invitation and how to refuse this invitation. For refusal, we again write the date first, le 20 juin 2017. Salut Megha, hello Megha, je vais aussi bien. In invitation, she asked comment ça va? So we are replying, je vais aussi bien. Désolé, as it is refusal, you cannot go to the restaurant with him or her. So you will write sorry. Désolé, sorry. J'irai chez mes grands-parents samedi matin. I will go to my grandparents' house Saturday morning. Je ne peux pas venir. I cannot come. So this is the letter for refusal. Désolé, j'irai chez mes grands-parents samedi matin. I will go to my grandparents Saturday morning. Je ne peux pas venir. I cannot come. Merci de ton invitation. Thanks for your invitation. Amitié Shreya. So this is the way how we write the refusal of the invitation. And if you want to accept the invitation, for acceptance, you will write, format will be the same. Le 20 juin 2017, salut Megha. First we greet the person. We are writing a letter. Merci pour ton invitation au restaurant chinois. Thanks for your invitation to Chinese restaurant. J'aime la cuisine chinoise. I like Chinese food. J'arriverai au restaurant ce samedi à l'heure. I will arrive at a restaurant this Saturday on time. Bien sûr. Sure. So this is the way we accept the invitation. The format will remain same for all the letters, but the content will be different. Let's move on further. Remplis les blancs avec o, L apostrophe, la, o. And the next question is again same. Remplis les blancs avec the, du, the, L apostrophe, de la, and they. Do you remember what are these? These are les articles contractés. You must have learned les articles contractés earlier. If you have not learned and you want to learn les articles contractés, you can go through my video, of which you can find the link below in the description. Though les articles contractés, o, etc. are used for to the, and the, du, they, apostrophe are used for of the. So let's start with the first one. La directrice parle dash Monsieur Minois. The director speak to the Monsieur Minois. As we have name here, in contracted articles with names, we don't use o, la, etc. Even it is masculine, we only use either a or the. So as it is name Monsieur Minois, so we use here la directrice parle à Monsieur Minois. Tu expliques les questions dash élèves. You explain the question to the students. So as élève is plural, we use AUX, O. Nous téléphonons dash ami de Nathalie. We telephone to the friend of Nathalie. Here ami is masculine. As it is starting with the vowel, we use a L apostrophe. Tu vas dash campaign ce weekend. You are going to the campaign this weekend. Here campaign is feminine singular, so we use a la. Tu vas à la campagne ce weekend. Vendredi soir, ma mère va dash cinéma avec son ami d'enfance. Friday evening, my mother go to the cinema with her childhood friend. Here cinema is masculine singular, so we use O. Va au cinema. Let's do the next question. Here the du means of the. It is again contracted articles. Mon père rentre dash bibliothèque à 5 heures du soir. My father returned from the library at 5 o'clock. So as by bibliothèque is feminine singular, we use de la. From the bibliothèque. Les robes dash actrices sont très belles. The dresses of the actor are very beautiful. Here actress is feminine as it is starting with the vowel, so we use the L apostrophe. The dresses of the actor. J'entends la voix dash professor. I hear the voice of the professor. Here is professor is masculine singular, so tu will come. Tu professor. C'est la nouvelle voiture dash directeur. This is the new car of the director. Here director is masculine singular. Again, tu. Then voilà la sac dash Mirai. There is the bag of the Mirai. Here Mirai is again name. So as I said, with names we use either a or the. So we write voilà la sac, the Mirai of the Mirai. Next one is les chapeaux dash hommes sont drôles. The hats of men are funny. Here we have homme. It is plural. So we use they. Hats of men are funny. La maison dash cette fille est grande. The house of this girl is big. So cette fille is feminine singular. So the house of the cette fille, de la cette fille. Next question is remplis les blancs par de, du, de la, de, l apostrophe de. Here again we have the, du, but here it is les articles partitifs. Les articles partitifs. You must have learned les articles partitifs, and if you want to learn partitive articles, you can go through my video, of which you find the link below in the description. Les articles partitifs are used for unspecified quantity, some. Je mange dash pain. I eat some bread. Here, pain is masculine singular, so we use du pain. Je mange du pain avec dash soup. With dash soup. Soup is feminine singular, so we use de la soup. So what is the meaning? I eat some bread with some soup pour la petit déjeuner, for the breakfast. Ma mère prend dash of. Of is plural, so we use they. My mother takes some eggs. Mon petit frère, Jérôme, prend dash au fresh. My little brother, Jérôme, take fresh water. Here O is starting with the vowel, so we use the L apostrophe. Il n'aime pas la soupe. He don't like soup. Il mange dash pain avec dash confiture. He eats some bread. Pain is masculine singular, so du. Avec dash confiture, with some jam. Confiture is feminine singular, so again we use de la. Then this is the last question. Écris ton propre emploi du temps dans ton cahier. Write your own timetable in your notebook. We have learned in this lesson earlier how to write a timetable. There was an example of a timetable. So you can take the help from there and write your own timetable. I am giving you one example. You can take the help from that also. This is an example for reference. You can change the timetable as per your choice. First, we will write the day's name, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, then the time. In between, we write récréation, which means recess, then déjeuner, lunch, and the periods, which we have on Monday, Tuesday, etc. Like 8:30 to 9:30, we have maths on Monday, vivre ensemble on mardi, English on mercredi, français on Thursday, études sociales on vendredi, Friday. You can write the timetable of your own and you can send me in the comment box. I will definitely get back to you. So we are finished with this lesson. Une journée de Pauline, Lesson 3, Class 9, Entre Jeunes. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely get back to you. But before leaving, I request you to please like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon so you will get the update of my new videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.